Alright, welcome guys. I'm going to do a video so I can help you with the assignment that you will be having. Hopefully this will help you. Let's look at the figure number 1. It says Marcos rented a storage shed. The measurements of the shed are shown below. Determine the volume. So determine the volume of the storage shed. Automatically you know its volume. Also it says cubic. Okay. What kind of figure is it? You gotta ask yourself, what kind of figure is it? Well, it's length, a width, and a height. So I know it's a rectangular prism. Okay, rectangular prism. And I know a prism, the equation is volume equals the area of the base times the height. That big B represents the area of the base. So what is my base? Well, my base is this part here. This is my base. Okay, my base is, maybe that is the base right there. The base of the rectangular prism. So then, just like you did in 6th grade, this can be found by length times width. This is the area of the base right here. So I can find it by length times width, and of course times height. And so now it's just a basic, multiplication. Come on, you can do this. Length times width times height. If this is 3, well, this is also 3. So length times width times height. Okay, figure that one out. Number 2, the rectangular. It even tells me a rectangular pyramid. So I know right there, I need to know what kind of figure I have. I have a rectangular pyramid. Okay. It also tells me has a base length of 6 and a base width of 7. So I'm thinking of the base, and automatically I know that the base is the bottom part of the pyramid. So the base is this part here. This is the base, okay? This is the base there. That's the base. So I know it's a pyramid. So my equation given to me is volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Once again, that capital B, area of base. So then I like to rewrite it. You know how sometimes we can rewrite equations to make it easier for us? Well, volume equals area of the base times height divided by 3. Even easier than that, because my base is rectangular, I know that, let me write down the dimensions. I know that the height, the base length is 6, so I'm going to put it, the base length is 6. The width is 7, so that means this is 7, okay? And then the height, now remember the height is the one that comes from the apex, from the top all the way down. It's usually in little dashes. Okay, and it has a little right angle there. Okay, that's my height there. Okay, so this here is 6. I'm sorry. That is 13. Okay, not 6 but 13. I didn't read it there. The height of the pyramid is 13. So this is the height of the pyramid from here to here. Okay, so now I know this is the length. This is the width, and that's the height. Well, just like you did the other problem over here, this can be found by doing the same thing, except length times width times height, but divide by 3. And the reason you divide by 3 is because you have a pyramid. All pyramids you have to divide by 3. Alright, so let's go number 3 there. First of all, you have to figure out the figure that you have, or maybe it'll tell you. And in this case it does. Look, it says there, Clark will fill the triangular prism with sand. So write that. Triangular prism. Okay, now prisma. So I'm going to put a triangular prism. So, and they even highlight for you the base. Look at the figure there. They even put it in shaded. That is your base right there, okay? That is your base. Of course, this is also your base over here because a prism has two congruent bases. Remember that. Two congruent bases. This guy triangle and this triangle, they're congruent. Okay? So now let's keep reading there. It says the base length, again, base length of the prism is 8 inches. Okay? And so I'm going to read there, the base length is 8. So then, and then I'm going to keep reading. It says the height of the triangle is 11 inches. Okay? So right there, the base length of the prism is 8. So I'm going to put there, the base is 8. The base length is 8. Okay? 8 is there. Okay? So the base length is 8. Let me erase this real quick because it doesn't want to do it. Okay, so I'm going to put the base length is 8. Okay, 8. And I know that the height is the height of the triangle is 11. So then I'm going to go here. Okay, from here to here. We're going to make a line from this point to this point. You see that, this one here? Okay. And so we're going to put let's say here, from here to here, from this point to that point, we're going to make little dashes. Okay. And that is pin. Let me see, I got this pin here. Okay. So let me make it look so you can see it real quick. This here, the height from here to only the triangle. Remember, not this one. This is the line this is the height of the prism. I'm talking about the height of the triangle. Okay, so from there to there is 11. Okay, that's 11. And now the height of the prism is 16. So the height of the prism is this guy, because he's the one that holds both bases together or connects both bases or both triangles. Okay, so that's 16. Now I know the formula for this guy is volume equals the area of the base times the height. It's a prism, so we don't divide by 3. Okay, I know the base is the area of the base. Well, how do you find the area of a triangle? Well, base times height divided by 2 times the height. So base times height divided by 2 times height. Remember, your base and height, the one that go in here, must make a right angle, which is right there. So think of what two numbers I can put here times the height of the prism. This is this guy. Okay, this is this guy. Base and height, the BH here is this guy and this guy. And don't forget to divide by 2. Okay, let's look at the next one there. Okay, look at this next one here. We have what do we have here? Oh, we have another pyramid. It even tells you a pyramid with a triangular base. So I know the area of the base is 32 square meters. Okay, so look what it tells you. Okay, first of all, we know we have a triangular base, a pyramid. So I'm going to have to use volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. Or the way I like to see it is the area of the base times the height divided by 3. Okay. Now you got to ask yourself, what kind of base do you have? And you can see there your base is this guy. You have a triangular base. Okay, that's your triangular base there. So now I'm going to do this. Read the next sentence. The area of the base is 32 square centimeters. They're giving you when they give you this, whenever they give you something like the area of the base, they're giving you the capital B. They're doing the work for you. You don't have to do it anymore. So they're saying the area of the base is 32. This represents the capital B because it says there 32 square centimeters. So this is 32 square centimeters. They've done this part for you. So then I'm going to substitute it in there. But let's keep reading there so we can do more things at once. Look what it says there. Determine the height of the pyramid if the volume is 80 cubic centimeters. So again, the word volume, what is the word math? In math, I'm sorry, is in math means equals. So that means that the volume equals 80 cubic centimeters. So now I gotta go back to my equation. They're giving me the V. They want you to find is determine the height of the pyramid. So what they want is this here. They want to know what that measures. Okay, that's what they want to know. That height. That's what they're looking for. Okay, they've already given you the big B. They're telling you the area of the base. Area of the base is 32. They're telling you that the area of the base is 32. They've done that work for you. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to put 80 equals 32 times the height divided by 3. Okay? And so think there, okay, 32 times something divided by 3 has to give me 80. Okay? We did enough of these problems in class, so figure it out. Another thing you can do is, well, 32 times one of these divided by 3 gives you 80. Figure it out. Number 5. A triangular prism, look at that, right there. Boom, prism. I know I'm going to use volume equals area of the base times height. No, divide by 3 because it's a prism. With a base length of 9 and a base height of 6. It's telling you right there. Has a volume of 243 cubic inches. Look at that word cubic is key. They're telling you the volume already. They're giving it to you. They're already telling you that the volume equals 243 cubic inches. Okay, that's what they're telling you. So they want to know what is the height of the triangular prism. They want to know what this is. Okay, that's what they're looking for. You're using this. Okay, they're giving you the volume. They're telling you 243 cubic inches. So I'm going to put 243 here. They're telling you the base. Well, they're telling you giving you 9 and 6. Okay, so I know that the base here is a triangle, and I know to find a triangle I have to do base times height divided by 2. Okay, so that means base times height. So I'm going to put here 9 times 6 divided by 2 times the height, which that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so I think from here you can figure this answer out. Okay, just remember, do this first, and then whatever this is, 9 times 6, and then divide by 2. And then whatever you get, multiply that times one of these, and it has to give you 243. Number 6, the volume of a shopping box is this. So they're giving you the volume. Again, look. The box, the base of the box has 9, ahí está, and a width of 6, ahí está. Determine the height. Determine the height. So they want you to find this guy. Okay. Remember, it's a prism because it's a box. So I know it's area of the base times the height. Okay. They're giving you the V. They're giving you this one. Ahí te lo dan, look, it's right there. So 378. Okay. I know this here is just length times width times height. So they must be giving me the 9 times the 6. I don't know what that is. Figure it out. 9 times 6 times one of these gives you this. Okay? So figure it out. Number 7. First of all, what's the figure? The figure is a rectangular pyramid. So I know I'm going to have to use the equation volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Or the way I like to rename it is area of the base times the height divided by 3. Even easier than that, because it's rectangular pyramid, I can put volume is equal to length times width times height divided by 3. Even easier. And so now I know the volume is, in math, is means equals. So they're telling me volume equals 148.5 cubic feet. Okay. So now they have to give you some information. They said, what is the height of the pyramid? So they want to know from here to there. That's what they want to know. They want to know that height. What is this equal to? Okay, that's what they're looking for. gives you, it has a square base, so that means these guys have to be the same. So if this is 9, well, this is also 9. Okay? And so figure out what you can do to get the answer. Okay? The numbers are there. Length times width times height. Length times width times height divided by 3. They're giving you the volume. They're telling you, look, it's right there. That you have to get that. So length times width times one of these, that's the height, has to give you, divided by 3, has to give you this. Okay. Number 8. Jason created a triangular pyramid. I'm sorry. Jason created a triangular pyramid. Ahí está. Triangular pyramid. Okay. For the science fair project, the triangular base has triangular base. So this is my triangular base. Ahí está. Triangular base. Okay. Triangular base is there. Has a height of 8 centimeters and a length of 6. So el puro base, triangular base. The height of the pyramid, which is this guy, this is the height of the pyramid. Okay, so the height of the pyramid is 12. Determine the volume. Okay, so you have to find the volume. It is a pyramid, so then I gotta do volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Okay, which gives me a better equation would be area of the base times the height divided by 3. And now I know that area of the base is the triangle. So then I must use base times height divided by 2 times the height divided by 3. Okay, so area of the base, remember, the area of the base is the capital B. So 6 times 8 divided by 2 times the height of the pyramid divided by 3. Remember, you divide by 3 because it is a pyramid. Figure it out. Number 9, a box of cereal is packaged. Okay, so you got a box. A box will tell you right away. That is a prism. So if it's a prism, then I must do volume equals area of the base times the height. Okay, so the volume of the cereal box is 80% of the total volume of the box. The volume of the cereal, in other words, the bag inside is 80% of the total volume of the box. The base of the box measures 10 inches by 13. So the base, which is this part here, the base is 10 by 3 and the height is 1 foot. Okay, this is in inches, this is in inches, this is in feet. Okay, what is the volume of the cereal in the box? Okay, what is the volume of the cereal? Don't forget, they want the volume of the cereal in the box. They want the volume of the bag, not the whole thing. So think about a couple of steps you gotta do. Okay, first of all, you know that this is volume equals area of the base times the height, which is just length times width times height. No divide by 3, it's a prism. But before you start plugging in 10 times 3 times 1, pay attention to this. You have to do something here before you do it. So, good luck. Number 10, we have it's a pyramid. It's just upside down, but it's a pyramid. So, it says there, a candy store sells different types of candies in paper pyramids. Okay, the medium-sized pyramid has a base length of 5 inches and a base width of 3. Okay, the height of the paper container is 8.5 inches. What is the volume of the pyramid measured to the nearest tenth of a cubic inch? So the medium-sized pyramid has it's right here, medium-sized, 5 inches by 3, and the height of the paper container is 8.5 inches. What is the volume? So think there, what is the volume there? It's a pyramid. Automatically you gotta think, okay, 1/3 area of the base times the height. Of course I can rewrite that as area of the base times the height divided by 3. Even easier, because my base is rectangular, only because it's rectangular, I can do length times width and then times height. and then divide that by 3. Okay? So think about what that is saying there. Okay? And see if you can answer that question. Okay? So just think there, length times width times the height divided by 3. Buena suerte. Hasta mañana.